The pool has those things you like.
Oh, yeah. You got your speakers? You got your bar right here?
Yeah. What'd you think of the house?
I wanted to like it, but not what I was envisioning. So on to the next one.
Dad, I wanted to see the house on the water.
And we did see the water. Look, you still see the water. He loves dinosaurs.
Is that T-Rex?
It is T-Rex.
That T-Rex? A baby T-Rex, huh?
Look at his sharp teeth. Over here, you're gonna have your trip odometers. Hi, Avery. Type 3, trip 2, and then there's a blank page if you just don't want to see anything there. And then this is also where you change what you see in front of you. So if you tap down here on your gauge clusters, you can choose your normal gauges. You can turn on a navigation map.
It has a speaker.
It has a speaker?
Check it out.
Let's check it out.
Right here.
Oh yeah, can you hear it? And then it also has an AR camera, augmented reality. So now you get to watch your favorite shows, huh?
Yeah, and a baby dinosaur.
And it records what's going on in front of you. This is a live image. So if you have a navigation going on your system there, it'll... Cheesecake Factory. By the time we got out, he's had us all ready to go. Appreciate you, man.
No problem. Thank you. Appreciate y'all coming in doing business. Getting your 2021 Cadillac Escalade with Super Cruise, Platinum Edition, top of the line, like no other.
Mate, appreciate you,
For
man.
all the good service.
And both of your keys
Thank you so much.
for your vehicle.
Appreciate it.
And one of those keys for you.
Yeah. Oh, we really do appreciate it. You made it so smooth. So smooth.
I'm glad I could, I told you I'd make it easy and simple as possible. I need y'all to do one thing for me though. When you drive out, I need you to press the blue button. But I also need you to drive to the gas pump so I give you a full tank of gas.
Okay, nice.
And I'm gonna drive this, and y'all drive that. I'm gonna fill you up. And y'all be able to bust as many bugs as you want.
There you go, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Hey everyone. Today is day one of our little getaway. We got on the road late last night, so I guess it's technically day number 2, but last night we stayed in Weatherford, and this morning we drove to Granbury to see a house that our realtor found for us. It wasn't anything that we liked. The house is there, goes super crazy, they go fast. Literally last week I sent her about 10 houses that I wanted to see, and they were gone by Monday. So this house, she sent it to us as soon as it became available, but it was just not something we were looking for. So then we headed to Fort Worth, and we went to a furniture store and got a chandelier for our home, and Andy got some other stuff. I honestly don't even know. But then we went car shopping, and Andy surprised me by getting me a new vehicle that I will later do a car tour on. He is so great to me. He surprises me every day, so it's just amazing. We are now at the Hotel at Texas Live here in Arlington, and it is such a nice place. If you've never stayed here before, been to Texas Live, you definitely should try it out. It's a great place to hang out at, especially after Cowboys games when the world is open, which hopefully soon everything comes back to normal. But that's it pretty much for today. We're fixing to go to bed because I am exhausted. The kids are tired. I think everybody's just tired, but I know that's pretty much it. Good morning, everyone. So today is day 2 of our little trip. Avery says today is his day, so we're gonna kind of try to find something for him to do and have fun with. So let's see what we get into today. I didn't get a chance to do a room tour yesterday because we just got here and we went straight to bed pretty much. But this was our room. It was obviously a lot nicer and neater before we lived in it for the night, but this is where we stayed. It has such a great view of the little patio at the Texas Live. Let me see if y'all can see it. So normally when the world is opened up, this is jam-packed with people at night. All the little bars are very, very full normally. There's the old Texas Rangers Stadium, and I guess this is a new one. I'm not really certain, but right behind us is the Cowboys Stadium. So that is pretty much our room. Sorry. What are you doing?
I'm fenced off these 25 acres.
You tricked me? How?
Alright, dog. Let's see.
Where you at?
Yeah.
Is today your day?
What's your chocolate?
Let's try some.
And get some to eat it.
Dad, what's for mom?
Yeah, that sounds good. As soon as we're done eating, we're gonna head out.
Your
So.
shooting game?
Yeah.
What else did you play? I got the TV set up for you in the car.
No shit. Did they play one-on-one?
You're welcome.
Oh, Pink TX. He's like, Merry, because Mike's coming, you know how no one he is. Hey, what's up, brother? Let's get off Starstruck, bro.
Hi, Lico.
What's up?
Todos, güey.
Say hi, Abe.
Te va a calar. Look at that one.
Off to Oklahoma.
There we go, baby. One more day. Big day for Bea. Little mind blown. Driving by itself. 75 miles an hour. Now I can Facebook.
Cut it out. Bro. Cut it out.
Check my newsfeed.
Cut it out. What, baby?
Look, what does that mean, babe?
That would be fun, huh?
Yeah.
Here, sugar. Need more chicken? Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.
Hey everyone, so today's the end of day number 2. We just got here to Oklahoma. Everybody went to the casino and obviously the kids and I could not go.
To them.
Okay, can you hold on a second? So we stayed here at the room. Avery said he was hungry, so we just ordered Uber Eats and had some food delivered to us. And we're just gonna get ready for tomorrow. So let's see what tomorrow has in store for us to see if Andy's horse wins places or does good at all. So let's just be hopeful and we'll see y'all tomorrow. What did you want to say?
We went to 3 holidays.
You've been to 3 holidays?
Yeah.
And what did you do today? Was today your day?
Yeah.
Yeah, what did you do?
We played at the arcade.
You and Daddy or who?
Me and Dad.
What did y'all play?
Guns.
The Jurassic World guns?
Not the Jurassic World guns.
Why not?
Because they didn't have it.
Oh, you played the water guns?
Yeah. But they run out of water. They have little bit of water.
And it ran out?
Yeah.
Okay, well maybe we'll find another one. But tomorrow, who's gonna hang out with you? Kayson's gonna hang out with you?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you say see ya tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Say night, Ayla. Oh my goodness, your hair. Say hasta mañana.
Hasta father.
Can you say hasta mañana?
Hasta father.
What are we doing today, Andy?
Horse racing, baby. Finally. Horse racing.
Where are we going right now?
Right now we're going to Toby King's Bar and Grill. Great place to eat, no KC.
Two left lanes to
My favorite.
to US 62 west towards Amarillo.
Avery. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
Ayla. What are you drinking? What are you drinking? YouTube channel that you have?
You're on a YouTube video. You're on one of Belinda's YouTube videos.
I do.
Come on. You have to invite everybody to come to your YouTube channel. I've seen your videos.
I don't.
Huh?
I don't have it.
Avery, let me see.
Sagittarius, baby.
Avery, let me see. Got lots of muscles?
I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught inside a loop where I can get to your heart, get to your heart. Ooh, you're letting your fears take hold, let them take control, and it's making me crazy. If you could only look at me, you know how I feel, know how I feel. Oh, see how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You've gotta look into my eyes. Think twice before you let me go. My eyes are mirrors of my soul. See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. I'm dancing on the tables, trying my best to forget, best to forget. Ooh, they know I'm coming through
Look! Yeah, the right side is big. I guess that's thank you. Oh, you suck.
It was clean earlier, but you said you were coming and I had brushed them, you know, llegaste, lo solté a la verga.
No, we just do it for the show, you know what I'm saying? Fucking look like I know what I'm doing, dog.
Ya para que no lo mano.
Damn, dude. That's how we like to be the underdogs, dog. Remington Park, we have arrived. Say hi, babe.
Alright everyone, we are here at the racetrack. We made it. Ayla's been crying some. Avery's knocked out. We're just getting settled in. So we have about, I think, 5 races to go. So we will bring you along and show you those races as they come up. Ended up in a bad outcome. Is this your walk of sadness? What happened?
We have a better day tomorrow.
On to the next one.
$40. Hey, I better pay. Andy, I better just record it.
Hey, babe, yo pago. ¿Qué tal? I don't need it. Oh, there it is. Swipe it. Hey.
The black. Hey.
Swipe it. Just put credit.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. A break to my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't want to face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors. I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flames. Feels like that. It's crying. Going over time.
We can go into each little one if you want.
They're ready to play baseball.
Photo booth.
Yours looks like somewhere we ate one time other people.
You didn't like it?
What was it though? Oklahoma, that pizza place they recommended.
I really like this pizza. I really like this one.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
I know, but we can walk. But I don't know because I don't know if they're good. It's like a street right there.
See, those are two sets, the clear ones for like the man. Yep.
What is it?
The tree that we had at the house at the birthday.
Oh yeah. Oh man. That's beautiful. Imagine it that big.
That would be nice, huh? Well, everyone, that's it for our little week vlog. Thank you for coming along with us. I know our horse race wasn't as expected, but hopefully in the future we'll get some wins. Again, if you haven't subscribed and hit the like button, please make sure to do that right now. Turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified every time I post something new. Until next time.